Hello and welcome back to another episode of Words Well Read, where words rule and we make learning fun. Today, we have two exciting new words to learn and expand your vocabulary. Let's get started. Our first word is intoxicate. Intoxicate. Intoxicate is a verb that means to cause someone to lose control of their senses, judgment, or behavior by the use of alcohol or drugs. Additionally, the word also means to excite or stimulate someone to the point of feeling elated. The word intoxicate comes from the Latin word intoxicare, which means to poison. Here is a sentence example. The sweet aroma of fresh flowers always seems to intoxicate me. Next, we have serendipity. Serendipity. Serendipity is a noun that refers to an event or situation occurring by chance and resulting in a happy or beneficial outcome. The word was first used by the writer Horace Walpole, who derived it from a Persian fairy tale called The Three Princes of Serendip. Here is a sentence example. It was pure serendipity that led me to the perfect house when I wasn't even actively looking to buy a new one. That's all for this video, folks. Keep practicing and incorporating these words into your daily conversations. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you next time for more fun with words. Thanks for watching.